friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be baking chicken leg quarters in the oven. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So what we need is chicken leg quarters and seasonings. You can use seasonings of your choice. Here are the seasonings I'm using: salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And I also have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. So I'm going to start by seasoning the chicken. So just sprinkle it with seasonings. So I sprinkle the salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And now let's rub in the seasonings. And let's flip over the chicken leg quarters, and I will season the other side the same way. So let's sprinkle the salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And let's rub the seasonings in. And let's put the baking, put the chicken leg quarters on a baking sheet. And now let's bake them. So I'm going to put them in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's bake them until ready. Now these chicken leg quarters have been baking for 45 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're ready. Let's take a look. Look at them, they're browned and perfectly cooked. Looks so good. Perfect. It was so easy to make them. The oven does all the work. Now if you want to make sure they're cooked, you can use instant read thermometer to make sure that it's at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the temperature I like to use for dark meat. Yeah, they're over 180, so everything is perfectly cooked. And now let's try them. So let me just put one of them on a plate. Looks so good. Perfectly roasted chicken. So it's a very crispy skin, as you can see. And here's meat that's perfectly cooked. And let's try it. So tender. The skin is so crispy. The meat is so juicy. You're going to love these roasted chicken leg quarters. Such an easy recipe and makes such delicious chicken. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!